Hello everyone, welcome to Archa's Kids. In the previous lesson, we learned 4-letter words starting with fl and gl. In the today's lesson, we will learn 4-letter words starting with 2 consonant blends, that is pl and sl. Let us see words starting with pl.
Plug, plug. Plum, plus, plus. Plan.
Let us try to read some more words in rhythm. Play, play. Plot, plot. Blow, blow. Plod, plod. Plop, plop. Let us see words starting with slur. Would you like to read with me?
Slow, slow. Sleep, slip. Slap, slap. Slade, slade. Slim, slim. Slug, slug.
Let us see some more words in rhythm. Slam, slam. Slot, slot. Slab, slab. Slope, slope. Good job! In the next lesson, we will learn R blends. Till then, you practice all the 4-letter words until you know them well. If you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.